fidget vending machine, except Siri places an order. Let's start with card, cash, or coins. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 3.
That would be 1.
Card. Let's see what color she wants. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 12.
The answer is 1.
Red. Time for a theme. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 6.
That would be 6.
Surprise. Now let's see how many fidgets she wants. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 4.
It's 3.
3 fidgets. So she wants 3 red surprise fidgets. Let's see what she got. Guessing by her fidgets, I think her surprise theme was holiday. Anyways, she got this Valentine's Day teddy bear, this hot chocolate mug, and lastly, this Christmas glove. I hope Siri likes her order. Bye, guys!